Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to copy people's crosshair in Valorant. Okay, so as you can see that this tutorial is only on presentation, but don't worry because I guarantee you that you will know how to copy people's crosshair in Valorant after you watch this video. Okay, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So now in Valorant, it is not possible to directly copy someone else's crosshair settings within the game's interface. However, you can manually recreate someone else's crosshair and by adjusting your settings to match theirs. So here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, find a reference. Locate a screenshot or video that clearly shows the crosshair of the player whose settings you want to replicate. This can be from a streamer, professional player, or any other source. Note down the settings. Pay attention to the specific settings that define the crosshair, including the color, style, size, and outline. Take note of these values or make a mental note of them. Open Valorant settings. Launch Valorant and go to the settings menu. You can access this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of the main menu. Now go to the crosshair section. In the settings menu, navigate to the crosshair tab. Here, you will find all the options to customize your crosshair. Adjust the settings. Begin adjusting the settings based on the reference you found earlier. Modify the color, style, size, and outline options to match the crosshair you want to replicate. As you make changes, observe the preview of the crosshair on the screen. Now fine-tune the settings. Continuously adjust the settings until your crosshair closely resembles the one you're trying to copy. You may need to make small increments or decrements to different settings to achieve the desired result. Save the settings. Once you've replicated the crosshair, save your changes by clicking the Apply or Save button in the Settings menu. Now just go ahead and test the crosshair. Join a practice range or a custom game to test the crosshair in action. Evaluate whether it feels comfortable and suits your gameplay style. If needed, go back to the settings menu and make further adjustments until you are satisfied. Remember, crosshair preferences can vary greatly from player to player, and what works for someone else may not necessarily work for you. It is important to experiment and find a crosshair that you feel comfortable with and helps you aim accurately. Okay? And that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.